Hello everybody. Now we are going to perform an experiment on Maxwell's trainer. Here first let me give supply voltage to this bridge. Okay. In order to give supply voltage to this bridge, let me join these two terminals. Here we have source. So now supply voltage is given to this bridge. Okay. The aim of this experiment is to find unknown inductance and unknown resistance. Then after we also find quality factor. Okay, let me join these two terminals so that this arm consisting of resistance as well as inductance. Okay, here we have three cases. In case 1 we are going to find Rx1 and Lx4. In case 2 we are going to find Lx5 and Rx2. In case 3 we are going to find Lx6 and Rx3. Okay, first let me find Rx1 and Lx4. Okay, so let me join these two terminals, and again you join these two terminals and join these two terminals. Okay, here we have null detector circuit. To know whether the bridge is balanced or not, we have null detector circuit. So let me join these two terminals. Again you join these two terminals. So null detector is connected to this bridge. Okay. Here we have display. If it is showing 0 or minimum value, means the bridge is said to be balanced. Okay. Now let me switch on the supply. Okay. Now let me switch on the supply. Okay, it is showing some value. Okay, so let me vary this R7 until this display displays 0 or minimum value. Okay, so let me vary this knob. Okay, it is almost 0. Okay, now it is showing 0 or minimum value. Okay, now the bridge is said to be balanced. Okay, now let me switch off the supply. Okay, after switching off the supply, let me measure the resistance between these two terminals. In order to measure the resistance between these two terminals, let me remove all connections. Let me measure the resistance between these two terminals using multimeter. Here you have multimeter. Okay. Now let me measure the resistance between these two terminals. Okay, now the value of resistance is 0.07 kilo ohms. Okay, now you can find Lx and Rx. Lx is equal to R5 R7 C1, R5 into R7 into C1, and Rx is equal to R5 R7 by R6. Okay, you know the value of R5. It is given in the manual. You know the value of R7, okay, which we measure using multimeter. You know the value of C1. Okay. Similarly, you can find Rx. You know the value of R5. you know the value of R7, which is measured by multimeter, you know the value of R6. Okay, so Rx is equal to R5 R7 by Rx. Okay, likewise you can find unknown inductance and unknown resistance. You can also find quality factor. Q is equal to omega Lx by Rx, which is equal to omega C1 into Rx. Okay, similarly you can also find Rx5 and Rx2. Okay, you know to find Rx5 and Rx2. In case 1 we find Rx1 and Lx4. In case 2 we find Rx2 and Lx5. Okay, in order to find Rx2 and Lx5, let me join these two terminals. Let me connect supply voltage. Supply voltage is given to this bridge. Okay, let me join these two terminals. Okay, again you join these two terminals. Now the null detector is connected to this circuit. Now you switch on the supply. Okay, again you vary this knob until this display shows 0 value or minimum value. Okay, so okay, now it is showing 0 value or minimum value. Okay, it is almost 0, it is 0 now. Okay, now the bridge is said to be balanced. Okay, again what we do is, let me switch off the supply. Okay, you remove all connections, and using multimeter you find the resistance between these two terminals. Okay, it is 0.2 kilo ohms. Okay, now you can find Rx2 and Lx5. Okay, you have the formulas. Lx is equal to R5 R7 into C1, and Rx is equal to R5 into R7 by R6. Okay, by using those formulas you can find Rx2 and Lx5. Okay, this is case 1. Case 2, you can also find quality factor. Quality factor Q is equal to omega Lx by Rx, which is equal to omega C1 into R6. Okay, so here Lx5 is equal to R5 R7 into R7 into C1. Okay, you know all values. Okay, all values are given in the manual. Okay, anyhow you measure this R7. Okay, you measure this R7 using multimeter. Okay, these values are given in this manual. Okay, by using all known values you can find unknown values, Lx5 and Rx2. Similarly, you can also find Rx3 and Lx6. Okay, by joining these two terminals. You can also find these two parameters. Okay, thank you.